Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from OnePlus Device to OUKITEL OT11. Begin by launching Play Store on both devices and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of OnePlus. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of OUKITEL. Also on OnePlus, using all of those categories at the top, select Multiple Files to transfer. I will go with only a couple, just for example. When you finish, hit Send next to selected, hit Got It, and decide which connection way you want to use. To connect by scanning this QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and then point it at the code. To input this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order. And then hit Receive button when you're ready. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!